Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to Kicks 2 Heat. I just want to show you guys today what I do use for 360 waves. As you guys see, I do have them going around. If I do show you guys the back, do have them coming down. And as you guys see, represent New York, number 24. If you know who number 24 is, rest in peace, Mamba. Alright, so let's get to the video real quick. I just want to show you guys what I use to brush these and what I put in. So this right here is called the 3WP. Very good product, I would say. It does contain coconut oil. So, and when you do have this into your hair, it does make it shinier throughout the day. It's gonna stick with the shine. It's gonna just keep its constant motion. It doesn't get bulky. It doesn't get hard. It's nice and soft. I want to say I've used a lot of product, and this product right here, 3WP, such a good product. I recommend this. This is about a 10 out of 10, I would say. It's definitely doing its job. I just gotta keep going with the brushing, because brushing is very, very important. And another thing you always want to use is a do-rag. Do-rags are very important. I use this every night. I use this throughout the day sometimes. You just throw it right onto your head, no problem. And you just want to make it as tight as possible. I'm just going to give you guys a little example real quick. So I go like that. Then I flip this up because it likes to leave lines going down in the middle of your forehead. So you're just going to go like that. Just throw that on. And then just going to tighten it up. Boom. Nice and fast and quick. And you just come around, do this, do that. I'm going a little too fast. Let me slow myself down real quick. So you want to just keep it as flat as possible going around. Then you're going to want to pick it up, go over, do the same exact thing right here, and just throw that on, right? So once that's on, you just want to tie it up. Perfect. Now you pull the back down just to make it tight. So your whole head's tight. Your whole head's having it. And what I do usually, I like to just work my way with it while my do-rag's on. When my do-rag's on, I like to work my way around, and then I'll just make sure everywhere is tight, right? I usually keep this on overnight, or throughout the day I'll just take it off periodically, about every hour or so, just to see how my waves are performing. But this is very important. It keeps it down and holds them down. So just to give you guys an example, I'm going to take this off now, and it's only been about 1 minute going now. So it's been a minute, right? So let's see. I'm going to take this off. All right. So you guys ready? Ready for this? So what's going to happen, right, is my hair is going to be very down. So as you guys see, it's definitely in its form. It wants to get into its form, and this keeps it in its form, and it does help compress everything around your head and keep it all, you know, in its motion. So as you guys see, right on the back, I do have the waves coming down. Then on the sides, they're doing the same thing. And then what I usually do when I take off the do-rag, I know it looks very nice once the do-rag comes off. I love it, you know, but at the end of the day, you do always have to brush. So right when you take it off, hit your spots up. Do the same thing. It's not going to affect anything. It's only going to make it better. And at the end of the day, once you throw this back on, after you do your second brushing, boom, throw it on for an hour. Do it, take it off, do a third brushing. Just keep going with the same motion. I'm telling you guys, it's just going to build up into the way you want it to. This does take time. It does take patience. But, you know, at the end of the day, if you want something, you go get it. So, perfect. I'm just going to show you guys one last step before I do leave you guys. So as you guys see all around, right? On the back, you always want to brush going down. Going downwards. So you guys see the crown right here? You just want to brush going downwards like that. And as you guys see, I did that side. Then I got to do over here. Do the same thing. I'm just going to brush downwards from the crown. And I'm going to brush this way with the crown. Okay, perfect. So as you guys see, that's a little motion that I do. The back is very important. That's one thing you always want to hit is your back, because it does help get your sides going, because your back's connecting to your sides. That's the important part, especially at the end over here. You know, you want it to come right down, right together. And I'll show you guys one more step real quick before anything. I'm just gonna brush down like that. So your most important part is you just want to keep going with the flow, right? And keep going with the flow, and you just want to brush down. You always want to hit right here. You want to try to hit right here, going down, going down, going down, because it's gonna all eventually just come together and turn into 360 waves. I'm getting there. The most important part is what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to wolf out. You want to wolf your hair a little bit, especially in the beginning stage. Listen, in the beginning stage, wolf your hair. You do not want to just brush, 2 weeks later, get a haircut. No, it doesn't work like that. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I would go about a month without a haircut. I know. That's painful. I deal with it, and at the end of the day, if you want to get what you want, you got to do what you got to do and wait your time. The key in doing 360 waves too is not only brushing, not only the Durag, not only the solution, you do want to use shampoo and conditioner product. I do use coconut oil related into the shampoo that it has. It does have natural ingredients, which you want. You want natural ingredients going in here. As you guys see, I have no flakes whatsoever. I don't have any at all. I never have. I've been doing this for about, I would say, about 4 months now, you know. I just been going with the flow. I've been trying to just get it all together. It does take others 6 weeks. It does take others. It varies, you know. Some people's hair are different, but at the end of the day, if you want it, go get it. I'm telling you, I want it. I want it, and I'm not going to stop. I brush my hair constantly every single day. I use this. I don't use this every day, so I didn't tell you guys that. Don't use this every single day. You just want to use this about, I usually do it about twice a week. So why I do that is because you don't want to wash your hair every day. I hope you guys know that. I would usually say, particularly around 2 to 3 days, you want to hold off with washing your hair. Don't worry. It's not going to stink. It's not going to get flaky. Nothing's going to happen. It's actually going to help. It's going to help get everything back up and going with the flow. So that's one major key right there. You do not want to wash every day. And another major key, when you have your hair very wet, you don't want to brush it. You don't want to brush. You want to get it damp. Not wet, damp. So when you're fresh out the shower, don't go, oh, I got to brush my hair. Don't do that, because I'm going to be honest with you guys. That's going to mess up the formation you're trying to get it into. And I'm going to be honest, I know from experience, let me say it, experience. I know from experience that it does definitely do a little damage. So I do this every day. I practice different ways. I do different motions. I try different things. But let me show you guys something real quick. If you guys know you have the waves tight, this is one way to find out. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, wow. Did I just get electrocuted? Wow. Oh, okay. All around the back. Okay, perfect. So you guys see? Now watch this. You guys just grab the magic brush. The magic brush, right? All you got to do is go right back down. Oh, there's one spot down. We're going to hit the side up. And if you know your motion, there should be no problem to get right back down. If you know your motion, look, half is already down. If you know your motion, you just want to get that all back down into the form you want it to. Don't forget, get the middle, okay? And if you have an edge up, if you have a fresh edge up, you know, you get it back and straight. And what even just happened? Did I just get electrocuted? I'm back to normal. What happened? Perfect. So, yeah, that's what I thought I'd show you guys real quick. That's a quick little, fast little step. Got it all back to normal. I brushed fairly quick, so that was no worries to me. But, yeah. Just to show you guys an example, if you guys got the waves, it'll come right back. If you don't have the waves, you ain't going to see anything after that. Your waves are going to be a little messed up. So, yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys real quick on the tutorial and on how to use the product, how to properly brush your hair, how to wash your hair, you name it, how to do it all. As you guys see, I'll get a little closer. That's what's going on right now. We are getting there little by little. I work on it every single day. And yeah, so if you guys want to order this, I would go on Amazon. Amazon has no problem. Actually, now that I think about it, I know I get so many products. This is actually not on Amazon. You go on 3wp.com. You should be able to see it. If I'm not mistaken, you should be able to, it'll pull right up. I believe I paid about $20 for this. I know it sounds a little expensive, but at the end of the day, you want to pay for what you use in your hair. You have this forever until you get older, actually, I shouldn't say. Then it's going to start breaking out, falling out. But if you use natural products, you don't have to worry about that, because at the end of the day, you're keeping your hair healthy. You're keeping it all put together, you know. So I just thought I'd say thank you guys for everything, and I hope you guys come back, subscribe, like, and comment, and have a blessed day.